trigger. What you on?
I want some other shit. Thugging like a motherfucking villain I am. You understand? You play with one of my motherfucking Batmans, I'm a key in this bitch. You understand?
You said Batman.
You know what the fuck? I ain't the only Batman in this bitch. You play with my Batmans, I'm a key you in this bitch, pussy. You know what's up with me, nigga? I'm Big Trigger, bitch. I spit on your hoe until I suck my dick.
Alright, that's it. I'm chilling. I'm just I'm vlogging. That's the defense. Got the bitch on. I ain't supposed to be. Supposed to sleep.
Say that, you better stop at Asia.
He on the phone with his son, way from.
We gotta go stop at Deja, we gotta get Deja.
Say, where he at, Uncle Rook? No, where your son at on the phone?
I'ma tell Deja, I'ma tell
He in where? Let me see.
Kuwait.
He in Kuwait? It's broad daylight out there?
Is daylight out there, T?
What kind of assault rifle you got on him? What kind of rifle, what kind of gun you got on him?
I got the weapon of Jesus.
Let me see.
I got the weapon of Jesus. That bitch go power.
What he say he got on him, Uncle Rook?
You better show it to us. Show it to us.
I ain't got shit, bro. We in Kuwait. I said I got the weapon of Jesus. That bitch go power. So I don't got nothing.
Oh, all right.
That's all it is.
Where you at?